when you fall, you rise again. Mentally, you're moving, almost there, why me feel one pause in life. It's all about the journey. The journey.
Yemo call by Ejo Tata. Ediba December, December Musedia. You be a can is a brunyo brunya. It's baby I will be no. Na me catch us your room medium is short, more show here. I was media. A yana a sign womb, a yana how womb, never be brainy womb. And pat. And it just womb. It's a G and in the son. Now your boy who buy a share of ye. And so yes, yeah, I would Jenny so. Me down say. From January was so you more bepim December na afi be query you muguswa the Jenny TV show you can say nyami in shramo ya damasi answer na me dame guest in Edino maminda abua form was so masina na what you be a betim di jumadi April your friend no Cindy Cash now so me be you natural mama na me home enko jin krato abua for me ba me di nanim fefe no e be try mo ati Yakojin Kratwa ba aha the Jenny so me guest no Cindy Cash any eba chico Cindy akwaba
ohima me hoye boko
wonderful
semi siasia Mrs. Tapini no semi siasia
baby na say die just that was
my sister e ho ne ho baby a
hey
na se ma shada
hey Cindy so wo ha adwen
me jenje me ho ana
hey what so na hey as when ya and it's good because I'm has a confidence we say when you strong compared to the old Cindy and now Cindy on fa share home
maybe
intro no ka ba your body sick see what your body home
Abena Mama share obi a or share the Jenny show na me kan show bi or share Jenny said the Jenny there it has come to stay now open sim papa na wetia enwani the Jenny and somebody said them abeka wa here Onia Mama kan no kre makoye meyem na me ana metena ase hu se me nipa wo se meyem I took that decision based on a man be an amene no wo
okay
na de be a man be ma feel like you are not a human being
no for so do
I'm telling you and as me kwan ma wo and na Cindy when you say my phone be cry kan hu of course
to be that bold to tell
me say wa phone be na nya nipa ba kon so me kan ni wonya to abeka me ma say yeah 3 sure Obama Sebi. I'm telling you. Because I said, me, my dear. I'm not. Maria was some American. And
it's all watching or patch.
No.
Only they were being on a catch or back.
What catch me? Say. Cindy, my funny pammy and account. O can one me answer.
Reason missing.
Reason is saying. Or share me funa as a hano. Na say as on a science riding. Catch it. Who's a wall palm me and as wedding. What do you mean? They say me as a kusi and kusi. Koda and koda.
What this is serious.
And you know something, ever since I mean who said or status workers and seminar.
Now if you won't do when you
be. Oh. Almost sometimes fault be one. Now I would say this is my fault. Na ebi a wo show so o person control na obi ye bold because say fa ne so obi a nanim hu no obi a say ah they when more time you more time you Abena
self confidence now
about down.
This is serious.
Into this is the main reason why me and Mary said no this guy me can't share no
you are sure
me na me koy reason me jano of course and I'm telling you and now he's dying. I'm not higher. You see me so guys Adianka. Oh well and whole audios no way. Oh him na me say bra na two na can omo
broken heart.
I'm not telling you. Me what to me. And me at first no unse ewiase de oso yonko out time. Yeah. First we didn't know na ye nim say enkofo bebre yes I did because of self confidence. Yes. Because then atade bi am say me hye bi ya me hye. Uni made ba kwa na me am na fa che me say de me ya kasa dodo.
No it's okay. Because the man bebre wo fear.
Yes.
O wo sika no betimi aye.
Yeah.
Enso me koye de nipa beka o de nipa beka wo si abeko grave.
Abena we are na e wono des one thing I was so be intimidation team. You don't need to please anybody in life.
Yeah.
It's your life.
Yeah.
It's your decision. You are who you are. And then me committee crowd the better many padasenia. And now they are nipa no crame please no.
Ochina ko nya bia onye hwe.
Me nya hwe ye.
That is true.
Into some dream say this is me. Me ana me dem ho. Na me se menya me sika to.
Wow, so no cry because they say, hey, the excitement.
Ama.
Yeah.
Abena fache me abena ohima me kan cry cho say menya obi kra na me advertisement amano. Or say you can't me shot at the I mean, Pobia or be shot at the I know say I make kind of crash and say me to say body compana me.
And you never say I'm
not making they say so good in me using good in a grown.
Wow.
Me I'm to say I gave my book out.
And I learned it's very expensive.
Very, very expensive. Obi wo or can. Ya na onim de woka but say kasika twitwi die okoye sade wa involve na abna oba bia wo say sika no ko ba koye
more than 100,000.
me I paid $12,000.
Yes, outside there when you go outside
and sana me sign me plane tickets
Turkey near the obetcha tickets when you block no afaka
ohima and sana me sika me hotel abna yeah can oh me massage almost €50 abna it's not per section and I'm supposed to do twice
in a day
yeah
I know
it's not easy at all so me obi bia feel say oh no de no ho it's about you can do it if you feel say if you have the means I'm telling you one day born, one day die.
Asa.
Abna me masuma me dey na me no.
Take the risk or die try.
Wow, to a wucha madapa na me fa ho. Masuma. Hey, this is my decision. Wow, they say. I will quote adishiri. Eh me amasem na America. Abna, e was me ha adwene. Me nye
onye and you want to make the journey so say the way I will buy YouTube channel so ebonko foding bing e fa o mo asem se kala wele no ene
nka
Cindy ade fa ho
abna wa busa asem e me de
e fa ho ben
on se Ghana ha na nkasa nsemfo ehe ebi wo ho no matimi sa asem na chiapa so do no nti na wo ye de o kama no obi won so atimi sa asem we de bi obi esuro so beka e was me de meka
na ye de wa kokot da
hey asemi na obekei
ye de wa kokot da
abna to bu wa for drink mama so me nom kakra ene na cheers got issue no
and I catch you say and the bomb na bring you this starting
abna ye ka odi hand me call quarter jacket apia
yo sister chwa na one de okoka na ye de ompe no ho ase wo ka kronfi
na wonim asem kron so ebe won wa say nyame so na me kan nsense bia na me mba ni bi na nsensem ne kra na da social media
na okoka
na omo
no omo peke
and no peke and you know one funny thing so na my so many videos she's somebody I like her so much na no ho asem ba me tanka me set se me chianka ma no it was me so na them near the pants me abet some ha many
no what
kama no that's what I made me call cyber bullying or if I was a CID headquarters one more yeah sister na try me pa but it do last minute no or my court asem near there every mo
yeah na me sure mama because and you be an do be court
of course
go for be on fa court but be for ways be ayawa dia enye
okay
and kan we be kan ba
yeah
that is what I'm scared of say industry you know a game but go for fun too personal
of course
obi timinya depression because of
cyber
just social media some obi aka atwe no
yeah
obi kwa tim dey e kana no because no obi ana e what that heart na yenya o kana me o kan fa me
ho ben
what I say obi ntimi it obi ho a ofa won court ofa won police station kan rosi na ebe ha me what I say but can you juma o so sometimes I get scared for more
social media cancel no social media na course yin na sabe ye kwaji ni me person go for cancel me to abonten no so wo ye wa de bi na ogukom na person go for be kan wo de be to abonten aye den
da ho de momo asem
that would you not be said better one more.
Okay, Mama said,
I was seeing Kebby. Now, Bena, send me to way. Now, me, I'm a dream, no phone. I me sound man, me, I'm no family, I bet we. Obi de me koye TV twa me adapa twa se me na me pe
ah na so yeso so
me na me so I me say me fe se me na me camera to twa enti se me so obi there be na me kai oh me de mo fra me tie bi me siri bi ara me say mu twa adapa na me na me nya mo me twa mo
no what game na se be nya obi a
there be me tie ase enti the fact say wa wo do video na beto no mo no wa na dey beto me pa twa there be so because wa wo kwa pese ye trend ma o
na dey beto
na dey beto no mo nti abna wo kokum we so be come ah makoko wasim to be come
what be ban wa ha na ni e na me se hwe na mo ni dia mete so sister anyway e dey now
abna me do nya me kape me did abna enga go we kum ye bia me say nya me adu me dey na mo
papa untumi
yes
radio
yes
and I was sign what untumi TV
movement TV
of course how was it because you name saw your YouTube
yes
and then all of a sudden this huge success.
The reason I'm so be eating say I have said as a phone kasa wa asemi e ka bi enya sa musu tie bia na de den wo da tu kotodwemu. I'm now him said me YouTube no people thought say I was just joking.
Yeah.
But sen na obi su tie kira o hu nyema pa me den me ye. Me wo ho one day na me rich friend bi. Me ka chere say oh oba say I feel say minya TV and camera ya no so minya penifo me person me bo obi edin dia no ka say ye ndi kan ko chairman ho ye free chairman ho a na afi yakoba before of far from free chairman a chairman se mombra ye ko ya say chairman I'm sure say wa hwe me auntie o ya no am say dia na metimi na am so chairman honestly na me pe social side no wa we ni chia ma no ye adia anone so oh
sex show na be because they be am any obi am fa unko
there be am make ko be bia
also dey ka dey be atoma be
so what
one no
enso kwa ebuja mo hwe enso kwa ya ka abna ne ya dey ko share sex eno crampo no sana ma ye bi so YouTube da na chairman ma me ko share ho no mo. And secondly, radio no so. TV, of course.
That's no do bar radio.
I'm sounding me bar radio.
Okay.
Yeah, so now I'm doing the TV and at the same time the radio.
So now no seen the air yet TV as your radio.
Of course.
You try your work watching crowd so you buy your better one common. Yeah, watching crowd so about August so I heard the Jenny and me guess to know a Cindy Cash. Na ye twetwe nkomo hanti nkobe bia chepre na ye ndi nkomo mami
medo
womba say
oh me de me boy dey kan me ma for
o boy womba free ti da be na worry
ai yegu so
e de na ma wani je asa o mfa hwe ho ye bubbly
of course enkofo dwen say e ya na meni ha obi timi hwe me say I like your vibe you are always happy ampa metna say edwen hu say ewi asena yo no se opese wo abewu opese onya nkwatena ewi ase edida obedide obi entimi ma wani nje owi ase aje se wan kasa pese wani je wansa wani beje you can be in a good marriage and in a good relationship na be crampo you are faking to be okay so na enyo okay it's wo do hu ko shem na do wadwini na kokko shem na say you say eno ne beku a it will kill you because me to way I don't care say enkoyie Cindy Cash me na me nam he ever me ho I'm always happy and you know one thing about me to me dream nipa ho onyame ni mas ma making I don't do that me obi progress here me de if I want to be there I pray to God onyame ho me mo bo na me simi ntumi nye de endu ho no mo.
To us and say what would you kakra? Yeah,
YouTube
on my
relax with YouTube because that's of late now. It's all about the TV and the radio.
That's where you started.
Yeah.
And they said,
yeah.
Channel on the go.
Yeah.
Now channel you be juma.
Yeah.
Yeah, pamoa. Are you now going to start?
What can I say?
It's no, but the journey is there is nothing like your own thing.
My own thing.
Because that is what you started. That made you sing the cash.
Of course.
With all the money and the connections, as that thing you started.
Yeah.
But now, I'm say, what jacks home. Ejuma de obi anu okoye ejuma I say worry o see be good.
Yeah.
When you are going with all your heart. When you say forever, for better, for worse.
Yeah.
But when it happens, there should be an agenda.
Okay.
So we see our way there. So I think because not every day you're on TV,
of course,
and the radio.
Yeah.
So I think it's over to me happen because almost my recordings and you're live.
Yeah.
So within the week you get a day or two, even if it's a day. Now on Monday you'll be within the day in our review no. What trouble see you today? What's be question? Now what timing?
All timing.
So that the people that followed you, subscribed, will still hear from Cindy.
It's true.
And then the main cry.
Of course.
Because Obia and Casabon embrace and ne Ejumani ni Obia. That is where Obesandia standing on your feet till you get another thing.
I got you.
So you don't you be make you idea it's you.
Yeah.
So if you think you have problem working with people, me say me team.
Too much.
Abena
ya asemo me koye me yemu abro bi sho ka say na sister me pa chama koye me yem nti say dey me pa cho wo sha ateme wo kra da abena sa abena koye ade natural ba o so koye ayi fati wa nyina to egu
but omo de bi hihye ha
Debi dey omo nye
Cindy bo afele efio
abena me feel yan kam tun be say o
mami enyi o Wanka sadena wa no
Abena
what you told my
sir
my 3 months
and Abena say me manya bro 3 months o
baby I feeling na say basi
Debi Abena we na me tu o mi ahe
o de ye o to but ya
feeling na ene say na we so e
oh my fe
Abena manya ni sana say wa eligible nyankopon de draw me eno kwa na brand da ho a offend the twins
Cindy, what's the way forward now? We say you're expecting them from Cindy Cash.
Oh,
the years ahead of you.
Yes.
So it's just the radio, TV, and I said,
No, Abena. I still have something in mind along the line. Person me me person me wear clothing. Yeah. Now me go so me can be brave.
To say Cindy Cash, what had dream? Me person, what's a me?
Oh, busa question na wudwa.
No.
I don't know how question Abena wudwa na Abena.
Yeah, pass.
Yes, some crazy.
Me too. Meduane
Papa bi simo
na me hu so obi gina social media
no ebe oba ho fese
me anka so di matama e hard se me so
of course it's true
because of baby e say nipa akoshe no ubie wano a enye yi
what I say and wonyam
ya obi nimu na otum so we nani
edin ya
bibi nti
ya
nti me enka ti abrabo na ye sai drumre bia ene we bi wo ha
enye
because of enkophobia oni omo
ennamonti no
enti e man nkofo bebrete no wan hwe wo hu yi a sorry to so be on sem fatakura
no obedi watem
because what do I want to na no
it's true
so me it's hard for me because many edin but na me am here it's hard pass now what is obi adi matter social media
Debi
but commit me so pa e be ko papa but e do baby na hu de wo wanim you see your aim and ambition and where you want to get to
of course
never everywhere you trust so
and now you know one thing mimpo no once na obusa me say YouTube no of late no I sat down one day and I'm like enya de bia na ma ko fa nkofo say so I have different thing na me pese me de ba on board because nipa enyini say so no makwa ko she obi radio ni TV mu ye medi at that's it
Ghana be sure de nipa na
what ya say ye medi embedi me boss so I dey atem I make bia na otene baby into obe study me of late oh first then I me had you pass say but obe say dey me na me jime ni sa
body anka say
warrior say
cancel some brand
I'm not would you stop that
videos na da
hey that's like so
what yayi
what hey I'm not
oh your video ni so kwa
what's that my time I'm like I feel who hey first make and now me and do
industry no
all right then
aboa o
papa because mboa me na me boa obi o no mo be kasa obe mu no amboa no because kwan afa so ade we mu no anya kwan ya betimi ade amboa and most of the people no omo ya de mu yeye mu yeme nya den enye.
But why do you think for Castle Pim.
Because of the show.
No, aside the show.
Okay.
Why do you think? Is it the things you do? Is it some friends around? Or is it Obi Awabuan or Dewunam? Because me can't also say what's it?
Mate.
It's the thing on the street.
Mate, yeah. Of course.
Why do you think people are saying that?
Okay, you know something? Yeah, not sometimes people see you and judge you with any brand number one and two. People see you and judge you by appearance.
Okay.
You see, when I'm doing something on my pages, I fool a lot.
It's for your show.
And so they feel said that is who I am.
Oh, okay.
But and yes, I'm a you know one thing, I'm a on mono. King on social media. They be a boy best here, because as a mark, what is social media and your dancer? I know.
This episode.
Whoa. Oh, but it's true. Na me pimpi o sa na me angasa na me de ma pimpi me hwe wie na.
Say the that's what.
That's happening.
Emaya e wo fie obi a o show a onim se ni da so asa obi pa ho onim se enyiji. One wedding na be control.
It got to a time na nka me be kume ho. Yeah, because now I thought that was the end of my life. Utie me na wo fie na you said that's the end of your life. If we are sending the way see, my main can't see me ne day. Se udrin say we are sending the way see, and I mean for win see. And penny na woman na udrin say we need that swing in around to wage out. That's the end of your life. I may say, oh boy, a dream be a oh boy. Just gather moment to be who you are, get up and push. That's it.
Get up and
push forward.
Of course. Why you dear?
Yes, darling.
What's another calling for you back, mommy?
Hey, I'm not you. I'm not there. Hey, me that. Oh, have
oh, no, hey, now, yeah.
Hey.
Oh, okay. Who did you look up to as a child?
I looked up to Delay.
Delay,
of course.
Oh, godmother.
Yeah.
Okay. Eja me ko chinchin ya ko page na me ko hu picture bi e me fe pa. Wow. Body ni o di abeji. Oh net no. So o kire say no we roll.
What you say? Oh Debbie. I want am also be body net so say. Me hard so what you say? Thank you so much, Abena. Thank you. Thank you. Oh really? You have an for me. Nah, thank you.
Thank you
too, man.
Yeah, that's see him say the journey ni je strong call. Cindy Cash me guest has na ye da boa for maso ya sina na watch bia yetim di djuma de e hia boa for enye izo enye yisiti esro so ye djuma ko bi na wa bonten na wo hwe na betimi abeboa yen a mesro contact me wate na me bo dwadie no me di dwa no aboni dawuro na amana ye kama ye fa sida e ma time heba me sha nyedwa heba me sha e na kuna my entertainment e na so ma senior the journey season 11 April baby bia wo a wo hwe me asida kese e enkom ma wo Cindy e da se why
me da se me do
bia wo hwe asemba ko e na de bia me ka chiro me sinyame wo ma e be ye me din e de Abena Ghana abonofo agudie brekom de she makra